You cleaning off my sink for me. Thanks. That's awful nice of you. I think it's clean now, sweetie. I think it's all done. You can scrub it now.
Oh.
Here. Combing your hair with my eye brush here? Yeah, the eyebrow brush. Yeah. That makes your hair very pretty. Very pretty. Okay. We need to get your hair brushed so we can go out. You want to say bye-bye? You want to go out bye-bye? Do you want to go bye-bye? What do you think? Brushing your eyelashes? Okay. Yeah. Not quite how you do it, but don't hurt yourself. Don't hurt yourself. Yeah, that's you. You're in the camera. See? That's us.
Okay.
What's that? Finish brushing your eyes. I'm sure your eyes are just fine, sweetie. Stop doing that. You're gonna hurt yourself.
No.
Oh, sorry. Why are you poking your eye? Stop. I can't feel good. You done? Okay. You done with that?
Okay.
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 No, not that, sweetie. That's broken. No. This stuff is broken.
No.
Leave Mommy's sinks alone. No. Can I have that? Thank you. You want something pretty? You want something pretty? It's a ribbon? There you go. Pretty. That's pretty. Do you want some help? That's pretty. You can't see anything. There you go. Let's do your hair.
I'll be good.
Oh yeah? Okay. Let's do your hair and we'll go out. Yeah? Comb hair. Yeah, if I could figure out what you took with my comb. But no, that's the eyebrow comb. What'd you do? Oh, here it is. Look, baby. I got your comb. No. Here, you want to do this? Comb your hair. Comb your hair. Can you comb your hair? Here, let me help you. I'm gonna hurt you and just combing you. No. Combing your eyelashes again? Leave your eye alone, sweetie. Okay, I guess we're all done.